I'm going to show you how to make unlimited probiotics at home. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to use the Ultimate Probiotic Yogurt Maker. It comes with 2 models with 2 large containers or 8 small jars. I personally prefer using the 2 large container model because you can make the yogurt right inside the container. If you have the 8 jar model, you're going to want to have a measuring cup like this where you mix everything inside and then pour it into the jars. The next thing you're going to need is a single capsule probiotics for each batch. Now, different probiotics have different effects in the body. As well, different ones make better yogurt than others, so check out the free guide on our website for suggestions. So we're just going to open up this 1 capsule in here. The next thing we're going to use is some prebiotic fiber. I really like to use organic chicory inulin because it gives the best results. We're going to add 2 level tablespoons. The next thing we're going to use is an unopened container of half and half. Now, I like half and half because it's really rich and creamy and it's thick, like Greek style yogurt. But if you want something thinner, you can use whole milk. And if you're allergic to dairy, you can consider goat's milk. And if you're vegan, the best choice is soy milk, but make sure it's organic. First, we just add a small amount and we're going to mix that up into a paste. We're doing this so that all the lumps get mixed out. Okay, then we just add the rest of our half and half. Good, we just give that a small mix just to make sure everything's even. Put on the lid. We put this into the machine. And we're going to make our second batch. Now, I've already showed you how to do it with the large container. So now I'm going to show you how to do it with these small jars. So we're going to use this big mixing cup. And we're going to start with our single capsule of probiotics, 2 tablespoons of inulin, small amount of half and half. I'm going to mix that up. Now, it's really important to get it nice and smooth and even here because we're going to be pouring this into separate jars and we want to make sure that there's no sediment at the bottom. So we want it to be really, really well mixed. Okay, so now we're going to add the rest of our quart of half and half. Right, again, mix that up really, really well. Then we're going to pour it into these small jars. And because I already have 1 quart in here, I'm going to do just 4 of these jars. Okay, now just add the lids. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add water into the machine so that the temperature control around all the jars is nice and even. And we want to add the water right close to the top of the inside of the machine here. Great. All right, the next thing we do is put on the lid and we're going to set the temperature and time. So you press this button in the top left-hand corner first, and now we're going to adjust the temperature if you need to. It's defaulted to 99, but depending on which probiotic you're using and what our guide recommends, you would set it to that temperature. Then you press this button a second time. It's defaulted to 24 hours. That's what I like to use, but some people like to go up to 36 hours. And once you have the right time that you want, you press this button here to start it, and that's it. You set it, you forget it, and you come back when the timer is done. And that's how easy it is to make unlimited probiotics at home. And the reason I say unlimited is to start your next batch, you can simply use a spoonful of this yogurt to start the next one, and you don't have to keep buying expensive probiotics. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to our support team. We'd love to help you. Thank you for watching. You're gonna love this ultimate yogurt.